Yes, myself, Kanchala Nagaraju, working as a physics faculty from past 23 years onwards. I would like to teach you the basics in each and every topic, and from that we can enter into the advanced level, each and every topic. So this channel we are starting newly, and today onwards we will give you regular updates, and let's continue our topic explanation. Good morning all of you. Today I am giving you some fundamentals to you in physics, like what is the basic fundamentals in the universe. So let's see. Universe consists matter. The world, which consists matter in three different forms actually. So the first form is like solids, liquids and gases. So coming to the solids, in solids the molecules between the distance between two molecules very close, and whereas in liquids the distance between two molecules is moderate, whereas in gases the distance between two molecules is far. Here the solids are further classified into two types. They are crystalline solids and amorphous solids. Solids can further classify in two types. One is crystalline solids and one more is amorphous solids. Coming to the crystalline solids, the molecules are orderly arranged. The molecules are in crystalline solids orderly arranged, whereas in amorphous solids the molecules are disorderly arranged. So you know very well, when the molecules are disorderly arranged, there is no use of that kind of molecules. For example, in class there are few students. The first student they may understand very easily, and some students they may not understand easily. So in one class only the student will get first rank and the student will get last rank. That is the main difference between the crystalline solids and amorphous solids. So in crystalline solids the molecules are orderly arranged, and in amorphous solids the molecules are disorderly arranged. When the student have a disordered mind, he can't able to sustain in the objective examinations in a proper way. So that your mind should be concentrate like a orderly arranged pattern, so that you can enjoy the studies in a perfect manner. So here the orderly arranged crystalline solids further classified into three types. They are like conductors, semiconductors and insulators. There are three types of materials again. This crystalline solids are further classified into three types. Yes, in that one is conductors, one is semiconductors and one more is insulator. So conductors, the conductivity in these conductors are very high. They are metals. Simply we can call they are metals. And coming to the semiconductors, this is the conductivity lies between conductors and insulators. The conductivity lies between conductors and insulators are called as semiconductors. And zero conductivity conductors are said to be insulators. So coming to the insulators, don't want to discuss further. And nowadays the total industry is depends on semiconductors. Each and every electronic device are going to prepare with the help of semiconducting devices. There is a huge science and technology developed in these semiconductors. For example, TV preparation time, TV circuit preparation, any kind of electronic device. In cricket match scoreboard, how it is like displaying every second, the score is going to change itself. That is based on the semiconductor industry itself. So there is a huge concepts in semiconductors. So whereas in NEET examination from the semiconductors they are giving 2 questions. Means you'll get 8 marks if you know this particular chapter. This conductors is belongs to like in second year physics, one small topic is there, that is current electricity. There you will have a 2 or 3 questions in NEET examination. In JEE also you'll get 2 questions minimum, and even in JEE 1 question damn sure for the semiconductors. Whereas in insulators nothing is there to discuss, because in insulators conductivity is 0. And other than this conductors, semiconductors and insulators, there is a one more kind of materials like a superconductors. The superconductors are, the conductivity is infinity. In which conductors the conductivity is infinity, they are called as superconductors. Their uses are different, and that is little higher order physics than PUC level and inter level and JEE and even advanced level. So further studies like a PG level we can discuss that in brief, like a superconductors connected. So now here the semiconductors again classified into 2 types. The semiconductors are further classified into 2 types. They are intrinsic semiconductors and extrinsic semiconductors. So intrinsic semiconductor and one more is extrinsic semiconductor. Intrinsic semiconductor is a pure form of semiconductor. That means in semiconductors there is no impurities present, whereas in an intrinsic semiconductor. So in intrinsic semiconductor is another name, pure semiconductor. Extrinsic semiconductor is nothing but a impure semiconductor. So this pure semiconductor, there is no use to discuss, because in classroom there are 40 students. In that, one student is the first ranker student always, whoever the class. Correct. In any class, one student is the first rank. We don't want to discuss much about that particular student because he is pure. Without teacher teaching also he can learn things and he can analyze the things and he can try to develop himself. But only that kind of student only 1 or 2. But remaining strength in the class is not in such manner. So we have to improve those students also, so that we are going to the impure type of semiconductor further explanations. So here impure semiconductors means they are not pure semiconductor. In that semiconductors there are some impurities. Like in rice some stones are present. So here the semiconductors are extrinsic semiconductors are some extra qualifications here. That is, one is n-type semiconductor and one more is p-type semiconductor. So whereas in n-type semiconductor and in p-type semiconductor, so the n-type and p-type semiconductors, from here we'll continue in the next class. Thank you.